Welcome to this session of OWS FAQs. Today we will be discussing how to add a new customer account in OWS. Let's log into OWS and get started. After successfully signing in to OWS, you'll be taken to the channel partner portion of the portal. Notice that the banner bar is orange up top. This is where all of your customers are listed. So to add a new account or a new customer, simply select Add New Account. Once you have selected Add New Account, you'll be prompted to enter some information. Let's start at the top. The first is Use Global Defaults. As a channel partner, you may have set up certain settings and reports, etc. that automatically are part of your global default settings, which gets pushed to all of your customers. If this customer is to receive those same global settings, you would want to check this box. If this customer is a special case and you're going to do something different, you can uncheck that box. The account name is the one field that you have to fill in. The rest of this you can do as time permits. But again, we have room for the account ID, addresses, city, state, zip, etc. What do you want your date format to look like, your time format, and then selecting your time zone. One of the other things you can do if you're creating a new account is you can actually enter the first and last name and an email address of your first user, and once you add the customer account, it will send an invitation to them to go ahead and join into the company. So let's go ahead, we've filled out our info, let's go ahead and say Add Customer Account. Now we can see the account has been added. If we want to go look at some of the settings, we can go over to Manage. This will bring us in to the settings. Here's the initial information that we put in, and now we can look at other things. Under Account Options, we can do things such as, again, define using global defaults, enable being able to see video clips, or you can actually go ahead and disable that account for non-payment, etc. Under Software Updates, we can hide these software updates. You can flag that on and off. You can flag hiding the command station updates. You can also check Allow Company to install beta software. Some customers are willing participants in our beta program, and by selecting this box, they would have the opportunity to try out upcoming beta releases. Under the Report and Alert option, this is where you can enable all the different type of alerts for this account, and you can let them either create and edit their own reports, or you can give them ones that you've already set up. Also, if they have other integrations with third party, these would be configured here. Not everybody has that, but it's nice to show for demonstration purposes. So that's how you go ahead and set up a new account. If we go back to Manage Account, we'll see that that's now done. We've now successfully added a new account. Now, one other thing to point out, the recorder registration code is right here. Okay? It's also, if we go back to Manage, it's also here at the bottom. This is very important to have when you're adding recorders to this account. By having that registration code, you can very quickly and easily join a recorder to this customer account. This concludes this video FAQ. Join us again for more interesting videos from OpenEye, the cloud video platform.